All right, so I gotta talk quiet. It's about 6 a.m. right now. My girlfriend's dog woke me up. So I said, you know what? When life gives you lemons, go to the gym. The one good thing about being in the gym this early, it is empty. That is the one piece of good news. All right, so I'm gonna give you guys my warm up for leg day. Very first thing, every leg day I start this way. I'm up against the wall, okay? Feet out in front, and I'm just doing toe raises, okay? Look at my feet. My goal is just to get these toes as high as I can every single rep. As you do this, you're gonna feel, this is your tibialis anterior or anterior tibs. I also call it the shin meat. Just getting this warmed up because we need this muscle to do all of our squats, our lunges, so on and so forth. So I'm gonna do about 10. You should feel like a burning sensation on this muscle. Okay, once we have 10, I'm gonna let that go. Do 10 basic calf raises. When I was younger, I didn't care as much about warming up, but I'll be 30 at the end of this year, so gotta actually warm up these bones. Okay, and I'll do about 2 rounds of each. Going up to the hips now, so standing hip cars, got one hand on the squat rack. I'm gonna take this outside leg, bring this knee up and around, okay? 10. Every rep, I'm trying to get this knee as high as I can before I kick it out. Up and out. Okay, switch legs. Once again, doing 2 rounds, and you'll notice as I do these hip cars, I'm not leaning. I'm trying to stay upright and just let the hip do the work. All right, this one is a little bit more difficult to see. I'm gonna be laying flat, and basically, as I lay flat, one leg is straight, one leg is bent to the side, okay? And I'm just rotating this hip internally. Simply put, you're gonna see this ankle come up. All right, so I'm here, and I'm gonna kick the ankle up, all right? I'm gonna do 10 reps per leg. Each rep, trying to get that ankle a little bit higher, a little bit closer to my head with every rep. Again, this just works internal rotation of that hip joint. Every rep, a little bit more range of motion. Last 2 movements. This first one is a side lunge. Just getting these hips opening up even more before we start lifting weights. So get the feet wide. From here, I'm gonna be alternating left to right, trying to stay low the entire time. If I stay low, I'm gonna feel these hips really open up. Notice I'm staying low as I switch sides. Whichever way I'm going, that heel is in the ground, heel's in the ground. Okay, I'm gonna get 8 in each direction. And if you hear my knees popping, again, I'll be 30 end of this year, so try not to judge too much. And I like doing these in the warm-up because if I can do this with my hips, then I promise doing regular squats is not gonna be painful, at least for the hips. Regular squats are gonna feel easy after I've done this first. Last thing, I'm gonna do 12 jump squats just to get the heart rate up and going, get the blood flowing, all that good stuff, okay? 12 jump squats. All right, that is the warm-up routine. My body is ready for whatever I ask it to do during leg day. My ankles are ready, my anterior tibialis is ready, my calf muscles are ready, my hips are ready, my quads are ready. You name it, my body is ready for squats, for lunges, anything I'm gonna do during leg day. My body is ready, it is prepared, and that is all we can ask for from the warm-up. So copy this warm-up routine, use it on your leg day. Let me know how you feel. And until next time, go execute.